The world we work, live, and play in is supported and made easy by modern workplaces, machines, gadgets, and utilities. They come in all sizes and shapes, from enormous and omnipresent utility services that are part of our lives, incredible factories with huge machines producing innumerable and immeasurable number of goods, swanky offices that simplify and speed up work and processes, to gadgets and instruments we reach out to for whatever reasons or on every small pretext. Many of these things have become so integral to our lives, businesses, works, and leisure that we take them for granted, even to the extent of failing to notice their presence until they go missing. Today, there's hardly any sector or industry operating without any kind of machine. Hardly any activity happening without the support of some kind of machine, if not being wholly dependent upon them. As manufacturers, dealers, operators, intermediate users, or end users, we rarely go beyond getting a workable understanding or feeling of these machines. Even those who repair them don't fully comprehend each and every aspect of their making or working. These utilities, factories, machineries, instruments, and gadgets are made up of various parts, some even of numerous, each performing different but definite function. Some of these parts are central to the use of the machines, others are incidental, and some even supportive. Just as we can't imagine our works, lives, and leisure without the machines, so can't these machines exist or hold without their tiny parts. They will come to a grinding halt or even crumbling down to the state of being inoperative or dysfunctional to be even called a machine. So much for what we dismiss as small parts and ancillaries. While we always hail the wheel as the greatest invention leading to modern times, we conveniently forget to recognize the person who invented that central hub or fastened that last nut on the wheel without which the drive would not have been possible, comfortable, or pleasant. Or the wheel would not be a wheel. But no matter where the part is fitted or what role it plays in the whole scheme of things, they make the functioning all that easy and our work and lives convenient and beautiful. Little drops of water, little grains of sand, make the mighty ocean and the pleasant land. We all may have heard, read, or reminded about that poem sometime or somewhere in the flow of our daily lives. Allow us to adapt it to the modern world and times. Little parts of machines and little pieces of gadgets make the mighty industries and the modern times.